Here's how to create a Google Forms survey questionnaire. So go to forms.google.com, log into your account, and then start with a blank form or a template. Give your form a title and also put a form description. You can add questions by clicking this plus icon over here. Choose the best question type for each question, such as multiple choices, check boxes, drop down, or anything that you prefer. And for long surveys, you can use sections, which is the add section button, to group related questions. And you can customize the look of your survey by clicking the paint palette button in the top of the screen. And here you can select your theme, text style, header, and color. And you can preview your survey by clicking on the eye icon to make sure that it looks and works perfectly. And when ready, click on the publish button to share your survey, and you can share a link, send it by email, or embed it on a website. Responses are automatically collected in Google Forms, and you can also connect the form to a Google Sheet for easier analysis. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.